In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube location to any country on mobile and PC. This also works for iOS and Android devices, so you can follow along on either, and it's pretty easy to do. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show you how to do this on mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on PC. So just open your YouTube app, of course, and be logged in. Once you get to your home screen, just like this, you just want to tap on your profile picture at the top right of your screen, and then tap on your settings, one option from the bottom of the list, and then choose general, one option from the top of the list. At this point, you just want to scroll down and look for location just underneath watch on TV and tap on that. Now you can choose your country you want to change to. For this example, I'll just swap to Algeria. And if we go back again, and go to our homepage, tap on Explore, and all the videos you can see now are Algerian. So that's how you do it on mobile. Now I'll show you how to do this on PC. Okay, so on PC it's very similar. Now I'm on my PC, let's just head over to the browser and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Now once you get to your homepage, you just need to tap on your profile picture at the top right of the screen and choose location, which should be just in between your settings and your language on this list. So just tap that, and I'll just switch it to Bangladesh just to test it out. Now if we go back to our YouTube home and tap on the Explore tab on the navbar just to the left side of the screen, and as you can see, the Explore page is all in Bangladesh, and even on the YouTube logo it says BD for Bangladesh. So that's how you change your YouTube location on mobile and PC. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.